Hi, my name is Alex Fernandez with Miter Brands, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your rollers on your horizontal roller windows. First thing you want to do is unlock your window, roll it to the center of the frame, then you want to grab both sides, lift the window up and out of the opening. You want to flip it over so you have access to your rollers. So you want to remove your old housing and rollers and replace it with the new one. Make sure to put the outside lip facing to the outside the window. And repeat the process backwards. Slide the window over and lock it again.